PGS is one of the world's leading marine geophysical companies. We are a pretty small company, around 2,200 employees, but we do have a global presence. We have a 3D fleet that comprises 11 of the most modern seismic vessels in the world, and we have two 2D vessels as well. And we have offices in many countries. We have actually two locations in India, in Mumbai, where we have processing, and in New Delhi. And we have a strong presence in Asia in general, where we currently have 3 boats. And we are working for all the major companies. And we would like to do more in India, because it's a very interesting country to work in for us. India is still a bit different from the western part of the world, because you follow other traditions and you have a different culture and a different business culture too. But all in all, I think India has had a tremendous development over the last 10-15 years. And my first trip to India was visiting ONGC in 1995, and I see a lot of good and positive changes in India. PGS is doing mainly 2 things. We are acquiring seismic data, and then we are also processing the data, but we also have other expertise. We have a group of reservoir people interpreting seismic data. And we have electromagnetic acquisition, and we also have what we call fiber optic business, where we are building permanent reservoir monitoring systems, and we are installing the first one now offshore Brazil in more than 1,350 meters water, and that's a pioneering survey. And the fiber optic technology is quite advantageous over electronic technology, because its duration is much better. So basically that's what we do in PGS. We have a big part, actually almost 10% of PGS is committed to doing research and development. So we put a lot of money into research and development. And we have research locations in Perth in Australia, in Singapore, in Austin in Texas, in Weybridge, England, and also in Oslo in Norway. We have PGS is basically coming from Norway, a Norwegian company, but so we have our headquarters in Oslo, which is the capital of Norway.